Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you an amazing tool that will prepare your SFM characters for your Blender animations, and it will do it fast. While this tool works with pretty much anything that has a rig, be that XPS model or FBX, I feel most of the people will use it with SFM. That is not surprising. Just look at the sheer amount of models the community has made for this tool. It would be such a shame if this huge library will go to waste just because SFM has become outdated, right? So you found a model you like, you downloaded it, imported to Blender, and what do you see? A horrible FK rig that is almost impossible to use even as an FK rig. You has probably thought of using Rigify, but the idea of re-rigging the whole model sounds absurd, and you are right. There is no reason for you to re-rig the model, because even tough base rig is horrible in its initial state. It is a great baseline that can be turned into something very usable, and this is exactly what this tool will help you with. And as I said, it will be able to do it fast. The name of this tool is RigWork Ultimate, and it is here to save you some time. So let's begin with the first issue this particular rig has. The bones, in its initial state, they are very small and often overlapping with each other. Using this will be very hard if you would try to pose it, so we need to make bones visibly connected to each other. Normally, it is a tedious and repetitive process, but this add-on will make it quick and stress-free. In edit mode, select a bone. Press align parent head to the child root, and its parent will automatically have its head connected to the root of selected bone. Best part is you don't have to do it bone by bone. You can select multiple bones, the effect would be the same. Now, after rig has become easier to use, we can now focus on setting up a proper IK controls. Let's create a IK bones for limbs and pole bones to control elbows and knees. After we created unnecessary bones, we should rename them. Not only it is necessary for IK creation with this add-on, it is a wise idea in general. RigWork Ultimate has a set of buttons that can rename selected bone in just one click. Let's do exactly that. Now, after we rename necessary bones, IK creation process comes next. It is not a hard process by itself, but as everything on this list, it can sometimes be annoying. Luckily, with this tool, you can create and fully set up IK constraint in just a few clicks. Now switch to pose mode, select a limb IK bone you just created, and click Set up IK on the RigWork Ultimate panel. Your IK is now set it up. If you encountered an issue when limb has a weird position after you press Set up IK, just click on the bone that has IK constraint, yellow bone, and tweak pole angle until you happy. And just like that, your model is ready to be used in your artworks and animations. But don't worry, this is not the final version of the tool. More functionality will very soon be added, so stay tuned for that.